If you are watching this video right now, it means you or someone close to you is dealing with hemorrhoids. Pain, swelling, burning, bleeding, discomfort that makes sitting, walking, and even sleeping difficult. Many people suffer in silence because they feel embarrassed, and because of that, they delay proper care. This is exactly why hemorrhoids often become chronic, slowly worsening over months and even years if untreated. Hemorrhoids are not a mysterious disease. They are the result of pressure on delicate blood vessels in the anal area, inflammation, poor circulation, constipation, prolonged sitting, stress, and unhealthy eating habits. Each of these factors contributes to the weakening of the veins and the formation of swollen, painful hemorrhoidal tissue. Most treatments on the market only offer temporary relief. The pain diminishes for a short while, but the swelling returns, sometimes worse than before. Nature works differently. Nature helps the body heal from the inside out, not just mask the symptoms. One of the most powerful and often overlooked plants for this condition is plantain. For centuries, traditional medicine has used plantain because it reduces inflammation, strengthens blood vessels, stops bleeding, and supports tissue repair. Let me explain exactly why it works. Plantain seeds contain natural mucilage substances. When mixed with oils or moisture, they form a soft, protective gel. This gel soothes irritated tissue, reduces friction, keeps the area hydrated, and delivers healing compounds directly where they are needed. It's a natural, gentle, yet incredibly effective mechanism. Now let's talk about a method that is simple, practical, and incredibly effective. When plantain seeds are combined with petroleum jelly or sea buckthorn oil and applied to the hemorrhoid area before going to sleep, the results are often visible the next morning. Swelling decreases, tension eases, and pain diminishes. Sea buckthorn oil is rich in omega fatty acids and vitamin E, which accelerate tissue repair and soothe inflamed skin. Petroleum jelly keeps the mixture in place, providing continuous protection throughout the night. Why does this method work so well? At night, the body regenerates. Blood circulation slows slightly in the area, allowing the mixture to work deeply. There is no pressure, no movement, just uninterrupted healing time. From personal experience, consistent use of this method for 3 nights can show remarkable improvement. The area feels calmer, less swollen, and much more comfortable. This is not accidental. It happens because inflammation is reduced, blood vessels are supported, and tissue is allowed to repair naturally. It is important to use this method alongside other healthy habits. Reducing constipation is essential. Drinking enough water, eating fiber-rich foods, and walking daily can prevent pressure buildup in the veins. Avoid prolonged sitting. Take short breaks, and gently move your legs or perform simple exercises to support circulation. Hemorrhoids respond best when both the cause and the symptoms are addressed simultaneously. Now let's break down how to use this method step by step. For internal hemorrhoids, you can prepare a plantain seed infusion. Take 1 tablespoon of plantain seeds, pour 1 cup of hot water, and let it steep for 15 minutes. Drink this once or twice a day, preferably before meals. This helps soften stools, reduce irritation, and strengthen the blood vessels internally. For external hemorrhoids, mix crushed plantain seeds with petroleum jelly or sea buckthorn oil. Apply a thin layer directly to the swollen area before bed. Leave it overnight. By morning, you will notice the swelling has slightly reduced. Use this consistently for at least 3 nights to see significant improvement. Additionally, you can use warm sitz baths. Dissolve 2 to 3 tablespoons of plantain seeds in 1 liter of warm water and soak for 10 minutes. This relaxes the tissues, improves blood flow, and supports natural healing. Consistency is key. The body needs time to repair itself, and combining these natural remedies with proper hydration, fiber-rich diet, and light exercise can dramatically accelerate recovery. It is important to note that these methods are supportive, natural treatments. If you experience severe bleeding, intense pain, fever, or other concerning symptoms, consult a healthcare professional immediately. Safety always comes first. Remember, hemorrhoids are not a life sentence. They are a signal that the body needs care, attention, and the right approach. You are not alone. Millions of people experience this condition silently, but with the right knowledge and natural tools, relief is possible. I personally tried this method myself. On the first night, I noticed the swelling had slightly reduced. By the 3rd day, discomfort was significantly lower, and sitting and walking became much more comfortable. This is the power of consistent, natural care combined with understanding your body's needs. If this video has helped you, please share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. Your experience might help someone else who is struggling quietly. Remember, using plantain seeds with petroleum jelly or sea buckthorn oil is safe, effective, and simple. Use it consistently and confidently for the best results. Take care of yourself. Prioritize your health. Nature is a powerful ally, and these natural remedies are tools that work in harmony with your body to restore comfort, reduce pain, and support healing. I wish you relief, health, and comfort. Use these methods, be consistent, and always listen to your body. Healing is possible, and with patience and knowledge, you can take control of your health.